Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for Chatbot Machine Learning. To use ChatGPT for a chatbot using machine learning, you can follow these steps. First is collect and pre-process training data. Gather conversation examples and pre-process the data by cleaning and formatting it. Next is train the model. Use the collected data to train the ChatGPT model, optimizing its parameters through supervised or reinforced learning. Next is develop the chatbot framework. Set up a server and define API endpoints for user inputs and responses. Handle communication between the user interface and the ChatGPT model. Next is handle user input. Receive and pre-process user input, passing it to ChatGPT for response generation. Last is generate and present the response. Use the trained model to generate a response based on the user input. Post-process the response and present it to the user through the chatbot interface. Remember to iterate, gather feedback, and make improvements to enhance the chatbot's performance and user experience. By following these steps, you can utilize ChatGPT to creating a chatbot powered by machine learning techniques. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!